Hi, thanks for joining us on Supping About. Today I'm taking a SUP to Middle Brighton Beach and doing a paddle from Middle Brighton Baths across towards Elwood, past the dog park there. Middle Brighton Beach is accessed easily via the Esplanade in Brighton. As you will see, there is plenty of parking available at Middle Brighton Baths, although it does cost money. So you can see I've got my gear set up here and about to take off. Oh my gosh. Water's actually really clear today, really beautiful. You can see the gorgeous silhouette of the city there and the pier just behind me. Wow, wow, wow. So just about to run aground here. As you can see, it gets quite shallow closer to this dog park here, just up towards the Marina. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I say that, gosh. If you like marinas, don't forget to check out our Sandringham Harbour video as well. You'll find the link just above here. That might be an option for launching as well. Stop that side street. I'll try and find out what that side street is. It's wonderful how being out on the border allows you to get so close to the birds here, and the wildlife in general, the fish. It's an unusual one. It's like a brown seagull. So here we can see just over there is Elwood Lifesaving Club, I think, and cafe. It's beautiful sailboats out there. Such a gentle breeze. It's really, really nice. Look what's under the water. Be a relatively easy paddle actually to go all the way around there. I don't have time for that today, but I think that would be really, really nice. The sun on the water, yeah, it just makes it really, really worthwhile to go to the trouble of coming out. Now on the other side of the dog park. Just coming back in, and that's just the Brighton Baths restaurant, cafe over there, where we were going to have our wedding reception. So in total this afternoon I was out on the board for about an hour and a quarter for approximately 3.5 kilometres, and you can see the Strava here.
Thanks for joining us on Supping About. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up and like the video.
See you again next time.
Bye for now.